My main work is actually this, envisioning the new Uganda, so that Uganda can see what it has never seen before, so that we can be united amidst our diversity. Everywhere, when you open radio station, the citizens are so angry. And all political parties have angry people. Some people think that the ruling party does not have angry people. I saw a young man, don't know how young he is, from the National Resistance Movement, dropping his trousers to expose his behind to the world. Why would somebody do that? And then he later posts another video justifying his action, assuring those who disagree with him not to think they are the only ones who can do extreme things. We should build a broad center in Uganda's political space. Extremists will always be there. Who orders them? Who looks the other way? But people can overcome. I look forward to the day when the things that are current affairs, the violence, the anger, are only in the history books. We must be honest. We must talk about our good people, our bad people, those who have paid the price for standing up for the truth. Like these days I hear the president talk about Bazukulu, Bazukulu. It is a signal to us that he recognizes that there is transition in life. My generation, born in the 60s and 70s, our biggest job is just to be a bridge to that great future of Uganda. I know the young people are in a hurry, but however fast you are, if you meet a river and there's no bridge, that's the end of the journey.